YouTube, man, what's good with it, man? I'm back here with another video with y'all boys. Today, chat, the new update finally came out. They got new cosmetics. So I'm gonna let y'all tap in with me and see what y'all think about it. Give y'all my opinion on all the cosmetics and how they look. Then I'm gonna give y'all a couple gameplays. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the cosmetics in game. Honey stuff, straight faded glory. No, it's not black. I don't know what they was thinking about that, but it's something. Leland, I like his. I like his. His smooth. His smooth. Hannah, you got a black shirt with brown pants and brown shoes. I'm not messing with that. I'm not messing with that. Sunny smooth. At least everything black on black. He probably got the best outfit, no cap. I'm not messing with Julie. I ain't even got this pack, but I see a lot of players with this blackberry on, and it's blacker than this. So Julie, it's okay. It's okay. Danny, I mess with Danny. I mess with Danny. It's simple, but it could have been the new outfits. And Virginia don't have one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the gameplays and the new cosmetics. Leave a comment below. Make sure you guys follow and subscribe. And enjoy the video. Peace. Lame. Weirdo. Weird. Playing Apex. Weird.
What is going on?
Oh, should have went the way I was going at first.
This might lead to the others. Fit in the door. One.
I'm going from the sewer exit. Where? Yeah, I'm kinda. I'm going to generator side right now.
Everywhere I turn, there they are. Don't worry. I'll find you.
Johnny ass over here.
You wanna know how your friend died? I can show you.
They're here.
Johnny ass about to leave.
Died.
I'm about to open up the left gate on generator side.
I think I lost him.
That's a bet.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
Yeah. Alright. I just did I might do both of them to be honest, right? You know my girl ain't got no big boots. Come on now.
Gotta keep going.
That's how we do that though. You not 99. One day, buddy.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
What are they doing?
What are they doing to us?
That is kind of crazy. I ain't gonna care. That is kind of crazy to say that.
Over here.
You scared? I feel that. I feel that. Here go Johnny boy. Don't go right there, Johnny right there. Don't fuck with that. Don't you fuck with that one. You're gonna die. Hey, I need some bone scrap. I ain't got no bone scrap. Johnny must have thought he scared me or something. Just...
Settle the hell down already. You're scattering.
Oh! It's a level 99 Johnny! Look at that. I ain't scared of you, boy.
Quiet. Look, you.
Puss ass, stupid ass. Don't put your hand on me for, boy.
I don't see him. Everywhere I turn, there they are.
That's not bad.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
I'm a dead motherfucker.
They're all over. Stay hidden. Okay. Now, where's this go? Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
Yeah, they say they gangs. That's a bit, that's a bit, that's a bit.
Finally, they're gone. Where are the others?
Damn.
Hell yeah.
Boy. Damn. No hills right there, cool.
How many are there?
Oh, that bitch right there.
Can I use this?
Hmm?
Something useful.
What other teammate at?
Might be safe now. Need to find a way out.
Whew, come on. I gotta get up out of here. That's what I'm talking about.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Get out of here.
Again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow. Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
Get the fuck off of me, nigga. Fuck is you doing? Get the fuck up out of here. Fuck up out of here, man. Fuck wrong with him.
It hurts. I have to get out of here. Connie, I'm over here. Are you okay? Hey, Anna, over here.
About time. Taking all day.
Okay, let's see where this goes. Quiet.
There we go. At least you ain't got black and brown pants. You got a black shirt with brown pants. Over here by towards Battery. 16 and Johnny was just in this area.
You can't hide from me, Sugar.
Oh no,
You
they're
left
here.
the trail. Oh, Sugar. Does that hurt?
It show your exact location, and if it's cooked, it highlights your whole body up for them.
Wait, what's that? I can use this.
On what? What do you put a lock on?
Maybe.
The bridge. Okay. It only had one more tick on it to do, so pretty sure you can knock that off.
I should see what that is. Are they gone? God, I hope they're gone.
Where you at right now?
Please go.
Alright, Johnny coming back though, I think.
What is this?
Time to play.
Had to slam Johnny duck ass. Hell yeah. His goofy ass tried to come run up on me. I had to bat him with the gate.
Stay away from me.
Johnny, I'm not trying to put my hands on you, brother. I'm not trying to put my fucking hands on you, brother. Put your hands, stupid ass, you got bat in your mouth. Yeah. I don't ever put your hands on me again, pussy ass nigga. Look me in my eyes when I'm talking to you.
Oh my god.
Tracks.
Sheesh. Open this up for me.
This'll help. Oh, Anna. So glad you're here.
Come on, Anna. They really did her outfit nasty. Black shirt, ashy pants. That's kind of crazy.
I should grab that.
Oh shit. You think you seen me? Oh shit. I don't think he seen me. He didn't see me.
Oh no. They're back.
He didn't see me. He didn't see me. Come on now. Oh lord. Oh lord, he got the perk on. He got the perk on. Okay, okay. Make me work for it. Okay. There we go.
Find my friends.
Who this is with me? Kick the gin off, gang. Kick the gin off. Yeah, kick it off, kick it off. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Nice and easy, come on.
Please, don't squeak.
Good shit, Leland.
I got it.
I'm stuck. I'm jumped out.
Lockpick. Connie.
Let's go. She ain't see nothing. She ain't see nothing.
Hide.
crazy. Oh, sorry. Sorry, not your average Julie. Sorry, not your average Julie. You gotta try harder than that, brother. Sorry. You gotta try harder than that. I have to get up out of here.
I think I lost them. Okay, they're everywhere. They're gone for now. Okay, just keep moving.
Made that boy lead a game. He said he can't do it no more. He said he can't deal with it no more. I understand, bro. I understand, bro. Trust me, I understand. I understand, bro. I do.
Are they really gone?
I really, really do. Come on, Julie. Just make it too easy.
Watch yourself.
Sweetie.
Somebody!
God, I hope the others are okay.
Nah, I'm straight on that blood.
Damn it, it's blocked.
Oh, Joe, niggas say they just get loud.
This will do nicely. Hey, what's that?
Shit, how things been with the family, son?
That's what I'm talking about. I can definitely use this.
What? Shit, nigga, I'm here. Fucking here.
I got this.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that'll do it. Oh, that looks helpful.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Oh, Joe. Not taste smoking. Yeah.
Slow down. Pay attention.
Yeah.
Alright, it's open.
Yeah.
There they are.
Yeah.
I don't think they saw me again. I hope it won't hurt that. It's the same.
Yeah. 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 Damn.
Alright, I got this. I'm good. This will be no problem. I can definitely use this to help.
The bad man's in me.
Get away from
Yeah.
me right now.
Yeah. Where's the rest of my team? Dead? Oh shit.
God, I hope this works. Lost him. Looks clear. God, these people are just freaks. Looks like they left. Freaks.
Yeah. Shit, I be knowing a lot of motherfuckers that do that shit though. Niggas don't be happy. I said I know a lot of motherfuckers that be doing that. Niggas say they don't be happy.
Can't open those doors with this. This is what I'm talking about. I can definitely use this.
Oh, look at this shit. Yeah.
hurt, but it's off. They'll be around here somewhere.
That's some buddy bullshit.
I got this. Gotta stay quiet. Gotta stay focused. My friends haven't run into these freaks. All right, I got this.
Buddy said he gotta spill a tea, man.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
Yeah.
Be careful. Oh, I recognize this. Just leave me alone.
Buddy didn't say what now? Yeah.
I don't see anybody. Okay.
Whole team then left.